Hey guys, it's Julie E, and I wanted to tell you about one of the best remedies that we have that I consider a panacea, meaning it works pretty much everywhere on your body, pretty much for everyone. It's castor oil. This bottle is about the size of my hand. It's less than $15. Every single person in your family, including your dogs and cats, can use this. It gently detoxifies and it also nourishes the body wherever you put it. I recommend we put it on the liver and the gallbladder, the intestines, the kidneys. If you have eye issues, you can put it around the eye. Historically, we've used our ancestors used castor oil packs where they put the oil, a cotton flannel, a heating pad, and they sit for a half hour. Aside from this week, I don't know anyone that sits for a half hour on a regular basis, so I just have you use it, put it on your body, and then get in the bath or the shower. The heat makes it penetrate to all the deep layers of your tissue. And this will fight off infection, this will heal your organs and your glands and all of your body. And I definitely recommend that everyone watching this video go buy a bottle of castor oil on our website right now. There's also a blog that's free that talks about it even more. And we have a free download. Click on the Buzz link and the drop-down menu for free downloads and download the information on castor oil and how to use it and where to use it. And you guys will all have a healthy day.